Everyone, this at the rate I old monk, and today we are with the iMovie's display series. So the display series is the I series, iVoomi i1. This is the model name, and there are two variants: iMovie i1 and iVoomi i1s. So I will explain you later what is the specialty of the device. We will go through that. It comes with a dual camera. That it has an infinity display going one by one. It has a 5.5 45-inch SD infinity display, quad-core processor of MediaTek 6737, battery 3000 mAh, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB memory. In one as it will be 3 GB RAM, 32 GB memory. Skipping that part, it is running on Android OS Nougat, and it has a front camera of 8 megapixel. The price point of the device is 7499, which is I guess a good price right now with the specs what it is offering. And if you check that the 1S, I guess it will be around 8499, which is a decent price, 8500 nearly. So this is the price point what I am expecting. As far as you can see here, the device looks pretty good. It is solid, the build quality looks good here. And as far as the display is, it has an infinity display, the best budget infinity display what we haven't seen yet. And as far as my concern, it will be going on sale through online portal. And taking out the screen protector here, as you can see, it looks good, and it is approximately 5.5 inch. It doesn't feel like too big, not bulky, little bit on the heavier side, definitely I will tell that, but still 3000 milliampere battery, packing out so good. It will take some things. And going on the side here, you can see the power button, the volume rocker keys, and it doesn't have a metallic finish. It is all plastic body. At the back there is a little bump which you can see, and the camera setup is 13+2. There is a fingerprint sensor, dual LED flash, and it has a plastic body. Definitely you can see the finger smudges are there. The fingerprint is easily fingerprints can be visible at the back side. On the top you are getting a micro USB cable with 3.5 jack. In the bottom there is a noise cancellation mic with the speaker grills. And we will also check how to open the device, because I'm not sure that it is a unibody device. So here you can see the micro USB cable which is used to charge the device. Let me take out this. Here you can see the micro USB cable, and this is also a charger. This is not a fast charger, so definitely don't expect it to do the fast charging. It will be normal charger. It will take some time, and there is nothing inside the box. No earphones are there, and so don't expect that in this kind of budget smartphone that the company will give you that. And opening the back panel, because there is no SIM card tool inside the box, I will definitely think that the back can be removable. So taking out the back, it has a pure plastic body, and here you can see the 3000 milliampere big battery, the 2 SIM card slot, and the expandable slot. It can be expandable up to 128 GB, and both the models have the same thing, only the RAM and the storage is different. This one is with the 2 GB 16 GB, and the other one is 3 GB 32 GB. That is the major difference between both the smartphones. Also checking the fingerprint sensor, let's check it out. So it is not taking not so responsive as it was expected, but still it works fine. And here you can see the thin bezels. Going inside the device, I will show you the storage and the RAM. Let's start with going to the about phone. Here you can see there is model name i1. This is not the i1s. This is coming with the Android version 7.0. Also there is an emergency rescue which is called SOS. As far as the memory and storage is concerned, this is the storage. It is a 16 GB storage. And going back, here is memory which is around 2 GB, and average is which is already taken is 822 MB. So don't worry, this feels a little laggy right now. I'm not sure how they will do that. There's a Dura speed something, I haven't checked that also. So as far as the software is concerned, you will get the updates in the review. I haven't checked that so deeply. This is the first hands-on impression of the device. Definitely few things haven't been touched right now, and this will get the Google Assistant, which is one of the important thing right now in the Android devices. Now one more thing I have seen, this is the quick toggle where you can take the screenshot, alarm, Wi-Fi, and you don't have to pull the notification bar down. This is quickly and easily accessible. And going to the more, you can have the GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, display setting, ring. So this is a kind of shortcut. Now jumping into the camera section. The camera is very simple UI. It has a flash, SDR mode, and the settings, the panorama, video mode, photo mode, and going to the panorama mode, photo mode, bokeh mode. These are the modes. Now jumping into the camera sample here, we will try and see. As you can see, we tried the bokeh mode. It is not too good in the edges. I didn't expect to be. So up to my thought, it is okay. It is doing good. It is not so much great what we expected, but the colors are rich. The output is really impressive, and the detailing is not as good as to be expected, but in this price range you can't expect more also. The panorama came out well. Here you can see there is a bit of detailing there. So the panorama is something, it came out well. So I can say in the natural light, daylight, the colors are crisp and coming out well. And in the front camera, is also okay. The 8 megapixel camera, it is little blurry. It is not taking out so great pictures. So this is all about the device iVoomi i1. Here you can see the infinity display. This is all about the device. This is at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and if you have any comments, just drop into the comment section below. We will try to answer it as soon as possible.